Hey everyone, it's Rob the Backyard Gardener, and I'm sorry about the pool noise, but I've got to get you updated on my peach tree. This is going to be a super quick update because in my garden update a couple weeks ago, you kind of got to look at my peach trees, but I wanted to show you the one that I've grown from seed. The one I've grown from seed was sown on 10/2/2016, so it just hit 20 months a few days ago. 20 months old. Let's go take a look at this peach tree grown from seed. All right, guys. This peach tree is not even 2 years old, and I've topped him, and I've trained him, and I've trimmed him, and he is growing literally like a weed. Now, I've done the best I can to keep him a very low profile because I want all the fruit to be low. Peach trees grown from seed typically produce dwarf-like trees. If you've ever seen any on YouTube, or if you just read up about them, you'll find that typically they don't grow to 35 feet like apple trees grown from seeds. Anyway, the biggest thing about the peach tree is you want to keep an open center. I've got some trimming still to do. We're starting to get a little congested in here, but I wanted to give you an idea about this guy's trunk. He's continuing, it looks like I got to put a little more mulch, and I've got a de-weed down here, but I'm going to have to pull out some of this crabgrass out of here, and I'll need to make sure that this guy's base stays free and clear of any weeds. But you can see how well he's doing. Putting on a lot of leaves. 20 months old. I am fully expecting fruit from flowers on this tree next year. Typically on peach trees, you can expect fruit sometime between 3 and 7 years when you grow from seeds. But from all accounts that I've talked to friends who've done the same project, they usually get fruits and flowers in their 3rd or 4th year. So I'm really hoping that next spring, we get flowers on this guy. I'm pretty sure we will. He's pretty mature as far as his look, as far as his trunk, as far as his foliage. I would guesstimate that would be a pretty good chance here. Anyway, I wanted to give you a quick update on him, just to show you where he's at. It had been 3 months since the last update. I know you saw a snapshot of him with my garden tour. Looking good. And just for funsies, while I got you here, it's getting close to harvesting some harvester peaches and a whole bunch from my loring peach tree over there. Crazy. In case you're wondering whether or not I still have the other peach trees that I've started from seed, yes, I do. I'm actually in the process of hardening off all 4 plants right now. You can see they've got a little bit of sunburnt damage over the last few days, but that's okay. We're just letting these guys sit in these smaller pots. They've already got pretty fat trunks on them, as you can see on most of them. So these guys will be ready to plant, prune, and get ready next year. Right now, we're just letting them get used to the sun, fill up these pots, put on some foliage, then we'll sculpt them and get them in the ground next year. But yes, I still have those peach trees as well. I hope everyone's enjoying the series of the peach trees grown from seed. If you are, please give me a thumbs up. I want to remind everyone that if you're not a subscriber, please feel free to subscribe if you like what you're watching, and hit the little bell icon. That way you get updates when I update all of my trees grown from seed series. As always, happy gardening, and thanks for watching.